Hey everyone, today we are solving a trigonometry challenge step by step. Let's go straight into the problem. Okay, if tangent x plus y equals 53 and tangent x equals 3, find tangent y. Okay, uh, given tangent x plus y equals 33. Given 1 tangent x equals 3, given do, okay, solution, recall, remember the compound angle formula for tangent, tangent, x plus y equals tangent x plus tangent y okay, divided by 1 minus tangent x times tangent y. Okay, uh, now substitute the values. Tangent x plus y is 33. Okay, then 33 equals tangent x is 3. Okay, 3 plus tangent y divided by 1 minus tangent x is 3. 3 times tangent y. Okay, then 33 times 1 minus 3 tangent y equals 3 plus tangent y. 3 plus tangent y. Okay. Uh, Applying the distributive property, distributive, okay. 33 times 1 is 53 minus 33 times 3 is 99. Tangent, okay, equals 3 plus tangent y. 3 plus tangent y. Okay, then 33, 3 minus 3 equals tangent y plus 99 tangent y. Okay, 33 minus 3 is 30 equals 1 plus 99 is 100 times tangent y. Okay. Uh, Simplified 0. Okay. Then 3 equals 10 tangent y. Finally, then 4 tangent y equals 3 divided by 10 equals 0.3. Okay, that's the solution. If you like this clear explanation, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more math challenges. See you in the next one.